making chicken sandwich today right here. I got some chicken thighs. Throwing some salt right here, 1 tablespoon of salt. Crispy chicken sandwich. I got pepper right there. I got cumin here. Check it out. Oh, this is still new. I got cumin right here. These are boneless chicken thighs right here. A little bit of cayenne right here. I got my fryer ready to go. Smoked paprika. There we go. Garlic powder. Alright, and I'm gonna let this marinate for a little bit with this buttermilk. Put that buttermilk in there. A little bit of salt. I'm gonna repeat the ingredients that's in here in the buttermilk. I'm gonna repeat that in the flour. So I got some pepper. Got a little bit of that cumin. I got a little bit of cayenne right here. Just a little bit. So we get that flour seasoned up. I got smoked paprika in there. And I got garlic powder. There we go. I'm gonna put this away and I'm gonna let this marinate. I'm gonna let this marinate for a while, guys, for at least 2 hours. Alright, got my chicken thighs right here. Coat that. I'm gonna throw a little bit of that little drizzle from the buttermilk so we can have that crispy edges. Okay. My oil's hot. And I'm just gonna throw them in one by one. Make sure you pat that in there. Alright, so now I'm getting some of that excess off right now. And then I'm going in. And you throw it away from you so you don't burn yourself. It's at 350. We're gonna let that go right now. Little pieces of bacon for our sandwich. Looking good, looking good. All right, I'm gonna toast these buns right here. I put butter in here, I let it melt. Now I'm throwing the buns in here. These are brioche buns right here. Got on my shop right, just in case. All right, guys, the chicken is done. I'm gonna throw it on this paper right here. I'm gonna let it rest, nice and crispy. Check it out. Ranch blue cheese right here. We'll spread that on here, like that. Ranch blue cheese mix. Do both sides too. I like it on both sides. This is a bacon ranch blue cheese bacon chicken sandwich. Alright, there we go. Alright, this is the bottom part. We're gonna take our chicken. We're gonna throw that on there, just like that. We're gonna grab pieces of bacon right there. Bacon right there. We're gonna cross it just like that. We're gonna grab a little bit of lettuce right here. We're gonna throw a little tomato right here. I'm gonna do it like this. I don't make a mess, guys. I'm known for that. Just like that. Simple. Alright? Throw it over the top. Just like that.
That is pretty good.
It's good, right? Wow. No, mouth is full. Give me that.